fully cooled off now, aren't we? Time to get hot again. So we're going to walk called Lugard Road. It's like a circle. No, that way, Lugard Road. And
Oh yeah.
so this is supposed to be an hour long. So it's going to be a hard one. Apparently some amazing views and things to see, so it's where you walk past lots of old posh houses. Here we are. Hear all the creepy crawlies.
It smells like honey.
I will die if a spider drops on me.
Do you reckon there are like really poisonous spiders here?
Yeah. Tropical climate, isn't it? Amazing views already. Ooh. That's where we were earlier. Why are we doing this?
You came up with it.
So this is the before shot. We're going to show you the after shot in a bit.
Look, here's the thing on it. I thought it was going to say what?
Native species. Oh yes, you can see that. So we're here. We're going to do all of that. Then we're going to walk back down. Or if we do all of this and we die, we'll just get the tram back down because we did get a return ticket just in case.
Yeah.
Because it was only an extra what?
I don't know.
It was extra. It's like a tenner to come up and to use go up the top of the tower there.
That's not bad though.
No. If it was in the UK, it'd be like triple that. Butterfly.
That was massive.
Ooh. Pretty. Wow. Look at the size of those dragonflies.
Ah, it's a dragonfly.
They're like that size as well. Butterflies in the park.
These things are really angry.
The crickets. Jiminy crickets. So it's really dead, isn't it? No one's crazy enough to do this in 32-degree heat like us.
What does it feel like today?
It said 39, so it's supposed to be cooler.
It does feel a bit cooler.
It does. It'll be cooler as well because we're at the top. It's like a paved jungle, isn't it?
Yeah. How old do you think this is?
So they started building it in 1913, I read. But before that it would have just been mud trail. So far it's okay. We look such amateurs. He's got the fan and I've got the tea towel. But all's good. It'll be worth it when we get to the... I think, is it going higher, do you think? I think there's like another peak.
Yeah, it's definitely going higher. Look, you can go up there. Stairs.
Let's have a look.
I don't think we're doing too badly though, because you can see like natives walking and they've got like fans.
Yeah.
Struggling.
We have had actually quite a hot summer, haven't we?
No.
Hot
Like 2
summer, not...
days of summer.
Oh, but it's been hot though.
Natural.
We'll need that in a bit. Oh, it's definitely getting steeper. But look, you just think you're walking on a normal path and then
No.
behind you've got... Hello! How amazing is that? Yeah. And I literally just got dive bombed by the biggest butterfly. Butterfly, moth, bird hybrid. Ah! Do you call it a hybrid when something's mixed with three, or is that a tribrid?
I don't know.
Comment below if you know what that is. Is it tribrid? Is it hybrid? Oh. It's worth being boiling for this view, it certainly is.
Just on the bench.
Looks like it's seen better days, to be honest.
It doesn't. Oh, it was my belt. Oh.
You idiot! Got that on camera, it's only me doing that.
I thought it was like a snake on my leg. That was horrid.
I have more decorum.
It doesn't feel right, this.
Like I've said it on like every video, look, it feels fake. When you look, it feels literally fake.
But you're like way higher
than all the other highest buildings.
But it doesn't fit because you're flat. It doesn't feel like weird. Do you know that doesn't make any sense? Your body tells you it's like normal.
You're okay.
But yet mind is saying, well, that's not can't be right. That looks like little miniature town
I'm feeling very like zen. It's all under shade. Are you feeling relaxed to be on holiday?
Yeah.
So this is our first full day. Is this? Would you call this day 2, or is it day 1 after travel day?
Are you asking me? Day 2. Because yesterday we did loads of stuff. Yesterday we did loads of stuff, but
yeah,
we shouldn't have done it.
Did more than I thought we would. Tick things off. I think it's better if you do. If you get as much as you can done first few days, then you can relax a bit. Can't you?
Yeah, but also if you're trying to, what's the word? If you're trying to keep going to stay awake so that you fall asleep, it's better to do stuff, isn't it?
Yeah,
you can sit and chill, but then you feel really tired, and then the next day you'd waste it.
So it's about 12:30 now, is it?
What here?
Yeah.
Yeah, 12:30. Weird.
I'm a good estimator. It's about 12:30, so it feels that as well. That's what I think I knew. So it doesn't feel like 5 in the morning.
No barrier.
It's good. No barriers. This is the road we're on. So that's when you're walking on it, you don't feel you're actually on stilts. See? You feel like you're on just the side of a cliff, but it's not. It's just like sheer edge over there. Oh, it's like something off Avatar, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna swing on it like Tarzan.
Oh.
So pretty. This is really cool. Look. Wow. Now I keep referring to all the Disney things, but this looks like the tree from Pocahontas. What is she called?
Pocahontas.
No, the tree.
Don't believe it.
I need to give my gay card back because I should know that. Our Willow or something. But she's not a willow.
Got the stairs.
No. They're really steep. Just having a little cool. This is my cooling system. Very high tech. It's making it bearable. It's a nice breeze up here, isn't there?
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it's nice to have like that air. Down in the city there's not that air, is there?
And if it is just hot black air blowing at you.
So
It's all
just
good though.
run from aircon to aircon.
That's a bit. Just throwing out some plants, some boxes, and cardboard coffee. That is creepy. It's abandoned, isn't it?
Should we go in?
No.
Entering by the water. Will be liable for consequences.
In other words, it's haunted. It's haunted as F. Ew. It's like...
This was like a horror film movie, that pretty girl that's like, come on, let's go in.
Relax, babe.
What's
it's
the worst that's
okay.
gonna happen? There'll be like a full-on murderer in there.
A creepy conservatory thing.
Oh.
It's really nice houses up here. I think they're apartments or just one house. It's like a cute like little park. Are we more than halfway around, do you think now?
Yeah. Yeah. Could do with like a little Starbucks here, couldn't it? We could.
Refreshment break.
Yeah.
I think I can hear Waterfall. Ah, pretty! Yeah. Called Lugard Falls. Oh, get over there. You getting nearly run over. So tight, I don't know how to fit cars up here. Look at that. Be nice to sit in there. But it's refreshing. So we made it!
Do we get a medal?
Yeah. Please exit through the gift shop and collect your medal.
We started in the wrong place because we started where it was like cooler.
Yeah, in the shade.
And then it got hotter out of the shade.
Yeah, so it started in the shade, finished in the sun.
Yeah.
If you go that way around, because it's a big circle, you start in the sun and finish in the shade.
Makes it easier.
Oh,
it's good though.
Won't be doing it again. For quite a long time. So. Should we go find some aircon?
Yeah.
Let's go cool down. So we just got back to the bottom of the hill. I couldn't film on the tram, even though I wanted to, because Josh wanted it on his seat, and a big sweaty man sat next to me and like elbowed me all the way, so I couldn't even get to my bag. So that's all Josh's fault. But now we're going to walk to the IFC building, and then we're going to go up to the 100th floor, because we haven't had enough of heights for the day.
I feel a bit sick after that backwards drop.
Yeah, because you literally had to sit backwards all the way, and all your weight was like on yourself because it was steep. But all's good. Back on solid ground. And then after that, we're going to go back to the hotel, to the lounge. Apparently they serve some afternoon tea. We have to take and crumpets. This way. be nice. I've already walked like 11,000 steps already today. So we're doing well. So, little update, we came to the wrong tower. So it's not the ISC. Happy face. It's the one on the other side. So change plan, we're going to go back to the hotel now, have afternoon tea, and then do the International Commerce Centre, which was not the International Finance Centre. We're going to do that at night time on a night. With this happy chappy. Hello! Good evening! So it was last time we were on here? Oh, it was before, when we went to the wrong tower. Now we're definitely at the right tower because it's just down here. So it's brought us to another mall. Is this like the 4th mall we've been in today?
There are malls everywhere. You walk into like a corner shop and it's a mall.
Yeah, and it's like a Westfield or a Trafford Centre. It's not even like a little small shop. But yeah, so we're gonna go up the tower now.
What's weird though is it's what? Right?
It's empty everywhere.
It's empty, but every shop is open.
Just in case.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's just over it. So, probably see it in the lift. Hope it's glass, because Josh loves glass lifts, don't you, Josh?
Yeah. Hope it's got like glass bottom as well.
Yeah, so we'll see. Oh, I just need to pop into Cartier.
Yeah.
And Bulgari.
You need to decide.
Oh, and shop hard. I do need just a new ring from there. Be back in a sec. So, it's closed. We're literally chinked through this building. We're not going up it now, that's it, we fell out with it. So we've travelled all the way, it took 20 minutes to get here.
20 minutes?
25 minutes it did. We literally just missed the ticket office and it shuts at 9, not 12 o'clock like it says on the website. So,
but what she did say was we could buy a ticket now and come back tomorrow, which I'm not going to
go to the station.
It's not happening. I think you were talking to her, I think she looked at me and I was just like this.
Doesn't make a change there. Yeah, so we're going to go to Temple Street Night Market for some more tut.
I'm just going to pop into Balenciaga
after Balenciaga. There we go. So maybe we'll try again.
No, we won't. No, we won't.
Maybe we will.
No, I'm not coming back here.
We've seen it as a sign then.
It's not happening.
We don't need to go up another 100 stories. We've already had a good view, so whatever. Better luck next time. Thank you.
Right. Okay, goodbye.
Thank you. Anything take your fancy, sir? Josh should wear these. You would. Hey. Back at the end of it. What colour do you want? I love all these neons. Oh, laundry. to walk down there. Ah. So, third fail of the night. That market was rubbish, wasn't it? Yeah. It was like Arndale Market in Manchester, UK. So,
yeah, that's what it was like. You know that bit
that nobody buys from.
That weird bit.
Apparently, it's supposed to be the best one though, but
no,
so it's people's opinions. So, we've got a Coke next to another neon, and now we're gonna go head back to the hotel and chill. Yeah. So I'm going to say good night here. Enjoy today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.